Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. This is your host Dr. Maaz Qureshi. I am currently a TMO resident, whatever you can call it, in OHNS. I have helped over thousands of FCPS students pass their exam, including other students which have passed USMLE, MRCS, MRCP, and newly inducted NLE exam as well. सो लेट्स गेट टू द टॉपिक एट हैंड. आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा वो एनाटॉमी से रिलेटेड है एंड नन अदर देन हेड एंड नेक एनाटॉमी. उसमें हम सबसे पहले कंपार्टमेंट्स पढ़ेंगे और फिर फेशिया पढ़ेंगे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स when we talk about these structures we should know the mnemonic because ये बहुत vulnerable होती है, बहुत जल्दी भूल जाती है. So I'm just gonna label this for you guys. बहुत easy है, simple है, ठीक है. So first of all, we are going to be taking this one here, and this is your visual compartment. ठीक है, this is your visual compartment. और visceral क्यों कहते हैं? Viscera means के जिसमें it encloses many organs, as you can see here. ठीक है, you have thyroid here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे and यहाँ पे that's the another lobe. Then you have trachea here, and at the posterior end we have the oesophagus. ठीक है, so I'm just gonna write oesophagus. Okay, ठीक हो गया. Now this is your visceral compartment जिसके अंदर different structures हैं. That is why it is called visceral compartment. Now let's talk about another compartment which is really important अगर हम when we are talking about head and neck compartments. This is your vascular compartment. ठीक है, vascular compartment because it contains vessels. ठीक है, as the name suggests. कौन कौन से vessels हैं भाई? First, it's your IGV यानी कि internal jugular vein. और अगर यहाँ पे आप red में देख सकते हो, I'm just going to use red color here. So you have the carotid and of course internal carotid artery. ठीक है, then we have what we call it a nerve, and this is known as the vagus nerve. So first was your visual compartment, now the vascular compartment. अच्छा, now आपके पास, as you can see here, you have two compartments. ठीक है, you have two vascular compartments. ठीक है, as you can see here, you have two vascular compartments, one visceral compartment. We are left with only one, which is known as the vertebral compartment. ठीक है, and this compartment contains different muscles जो कि spinal cord भी आ जाता है, इसमें muscles आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, and of course vertebral muscles when we talk about spine, lateral processes, etc. ठीक है, so this concludes our compartment का जो section है, and I have a mnemonic for you guys to remember this, and it's really simple. You can remember it by 4 V's. Okay, it's really simple. I'm just going to change the color here. ठीक है, 4 V's. So of course you have 2 vascular, 1 visceral, and of course 1 vertebral. ठीक हो गया, so 4 V's. Now if you have okay, so now let us go into and divide that fascia. ठीक है, let's talk about fascia. And of course your mnemonic here is 4 V's. ठीक है, pause the video if you think you remember this mnemonic. Write it down कि V1 क्या stand करेगा, V2, V3 and V4. Okay, so simple. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. ठीक है, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, do it. Maybe you can talk to me on Facebook. I have a page, so yeah, on Instagram maybe, LinkedIn, Twitter. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. Get it? Got it? Good.